What's up, y'all? I'm gonna teach y'all how to make money off of AI in 10 ways. So you like, damn, why should I even listen to this dude? This man got 4 subscribers. Well, how you know I don't got like 20 other channels that generate money? See, exactly. You gotta start small thinking. But anyways, let me start with the first one. The first topic is gonna be AI content creation. So them AI content creations, like them boys be cutting up the fruit and stuff. They be making like AI models and this and that. Like, all that is AI generated. You can literally do that yourself if you wanted to, and you can like post it consistent. But that's the thing. A lot of y'all people got to be consistent. Just like how you go to your job, you got to be consistent. Like, you just got to be consistent. But that's the thing. You can literally, if you know how to program, you know how to code, you can literally code, and you can literally know how to program and make an AI do all that stuff for you. You feel me? But that's like a whole nother video. But anyways, the next one is going to be thumbnail design. Like, if you don't have no ideas at all, AI can literally help you do thumbnail designs. Like, I don't know if people still pay for thumbnails anymore. Like, I remember back then you could pay for thumbnails, but now it's like you don't even gotta pay for them. You just can make them. You feel me? Like, you can make them at the top of your head. Like, some freaking computer is gonna just make it for you. You get what I'm trying to say? And that's how fast technology is moving. Like, that's why I've been trying to tell y'all these past videos. Like, you low-key gotta understand how to code, how to program, how to make websites. You really got to understand that, because it's going to get to a point of time where you're going to be locked out of a lot of things and you don't know why. But anyways, next topic is going to be video editing. Video editing. I keep all my stuff raw. Video editing. So when it comes to video editing, that costs like a lot of software. That costs a lot of money for the software. So, like, I don't know, you're probably looking at like 100, 200, because it's AI. They gotta like chop your videos up and all that. Like, this all is gonna be automatic, because like, remember, people are really just sitting and chilling, or they probably just work like 2 hours a day, and then they just let the AI just do whatever they want. You get what I mean? But yeah, that's one thing. So now you got AI chatbots. This is number 4 we on. AI chatbots, like, some people really don't be talking to nobody, so they'll try to talk to a bot. I don't know why though. Like, they don't want to talk to a therapist. They don't want to talk to a doctor. They don't want to talk to their brother. They don't want to talk to their sister or their girl or their wife. They rather sit there and talk to a bot. You get what I'm trying to say? You can literally make a bot. If you know how to code, if you know how to program, you can make a bot for people to talk to. That's how crazy that's the world we live in now. You can make a bot that someone will talk to, and you can make money for that. That's, yeah, crazy, right? Crazy. Next is website creation. We all see this all the time and time again. Like, you can spend like $2 on and make a website. Like, $2. You can spend $2 to make a website. I mean, I'm trying to give y'all a free game. Y'all probably looking at me, man, this man talking about nothing, man. We been knew this. Bro, do you really, really know this? Like, do you really know this? You can make a website using AI. But remember, like I said, if you don't know how to code or none of that, and your website kind of crappy, you can't really do anything with it. You get what I'm trying to say? But yeah, that's another thing. Then you got marketing. This is number 6. So you can use it for marketing, because like, you got the little, if you go on TikTok, you ever see like a bot comment, it'd be like, oh, subscribe to this person, or go follow this person, like this comment, like that's all just AI. That's all just a bot. Like, you can make that and you can get paid for that, and that's all marketing. Like, you can call a company up and be like, hey, I can push your company out on a bunch of pages. Pretty much just get the bot to push their page or something. You get money off that. That's just simple stuff. 7, coding. Now, bro, I'm trying to tell you, coding is hard. I'm not gonna lie, coding is hard. It's like a whole new language. Well, it's not really hard, but you just gotta understand. Like, there's different type of codings. You can start with Python. That's what it's called. You can start with Python, and you can do Java too. I mean, those are 2 simple ones. But coding is the way to get money, bro. Like, bro, honestly, if you're not coding in 2026, 2027, bro, you're getting left behind. You should know how to code, bro. Like, you got to understand, half this technology stuff is all coding. It's just zeros and ones. Pretty much we telling the computer what to do. That's all coding, bro. You got to know how to code. If you don't know how to code, bro, spend at least an hour a day learning how to code. Please spend at least an hour a day learning how to code. If you know how to code already, use that to your advantage. Drop a course. Teach people how to code. You'll make so much money teaching people how to code. Please. Please. No, seriously, like, guys, just code. Please learn how to code. Please learn how to code. And I'm going to add on to this coding. Learn how to code and learn how to use a freaking computer. Know how to use the computer overall. Like how the computer is built, all this. Make sure you know all that. Okay? Okay. All right. That was 7. Online courses. Okay. Online courses is simple. All you do is you drop a course for, like, let's say you drop like a couple videos, right? And you just tell people to buy it for like $10. That's simple. You make a bunch of videos with the knowledge you got, and you tell people to just buy it for a $10 subscription. Now you're making money online using AI. That's easy. Oh, and when I say AI, because, like, you can literally have an app that you made using AI. Bro, I gotta keep going? Come on, man. Come on. But anyways, then you got print on demand. You know, like t-shirts, posters, stickers, phone cases. Like, you know, if you don't got no crazy ideals in your head, or you don't know how to draw art, you can have AI do all that for you, and you can use that to print on your freaking phone case, and then you can sell that to somebody. Or you can use that print and put it on a shirt and sell that to somebody. You see how all this comes back down to AI, computers, technology, internet, and all this stuff? You see how this all comes back to that? You get what I'm trying to say? Mind you, remember, I don't even have to be on here with my face out. I'm just on here because I'm just trying to put y'all on game. You feel me? But yeah, and then 10, YouTube. YouTube is the new Netflix. If someone can turn on your channel and watch your video for 7, 8, 10 minutes, an hour, bro, I mean, like, come on, man. And like I said, I just gave you like 10 reasons why and how to use AI. Like, come on, man. And I know this raw and uncut because, like, I just keep it real with y'all. Like, I be trying to, like, be real with y'all, fam. Like, y'all my family. But, like, you know, my little community. So it's like, I just keep it real with y'all. It's like, how was y'all day? After, like, I just dropped 10, just like that. And then I just be myself. Like, that's all you got to do. Just be yourself and then just vibe. And then you can chill home. That's all it is to it. And it's not to complicate yourself. Like, everything else is in your head. Like, pretty much. But, yeah, that's how you do it, y'all. But J Nuke out for real.